In the past 6 months, AI image generation has exploded in popularity, with millions of users creating stunning works of art using Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion. But with so many options available, which one should you choose? Let's break down the differences between these three leading AI image generators and see which one comes out on top. Midjourney is a web-based platform that uses a unique text-to-image model to generate high-quality images. With over 1 million users, it's clear that Midjourney is a top contender in the AI image generation space. To get started, simply visit the Midjourney website and click on the Create button. From there, you can enter a prompt, adjust the settings, and generate your image. One of the standout features of Midjourney is its ability to create images with a high level of detail and realism. Let's take a look at an example. If we enter the prompt, a futuristic cityscape with towering skyscrapers and flying cars, Midjourney's AI model will generate an